So the Northern Virginia Transportation Authority, we're responsible for developing the region's long-range transportation plan and funding through our 6-year program regionally significant multimodal transportation projects that reduce congestion. All of the projects that we fund must align with our core values of safety, sustainability, and equity. And as of the end of next week, we will have 20 employees. We're honored to be recognized as one of the best workplaces for commuters in Fairfax County. Again, when we were looking for a location to relocate, if you will, proximity to Metro was key on that list. And where we are now, we have direct access to the Dunn-Loring Metro Rail station. It's literally right across the street, and I use it several times to go to meetings. But not only myself, staff uses it as well. In addition to the Metro Rail station, we have Metro Bus, Fairfax Connector, bike path facilities, and this place does have showers, I do want to say, where people can take advantage of the multimodal options that being at this facility provides. So again, this honor is huge. We're truly appreciative, but we wanted to make sure that we practice what we preach. When we say there is no one size that fit all when it comes to modal options, we mean that not only from an external perspective, but internally too for staff.